If you've ever wondered how we machine materials when drills, mills, lathes, welcome to Advanced Manufacturing Processes Lab. This is where sparks become cutting tools, sound becomes cutting tools, water becomes cutting tools, light becomes cutting tools, electrons become cutting tools. Module 1, EDM, die sink, EDM, carve complex cavities with a shaped electrode. Wire, EDM, slice profiles like a cheese cutter made of electricity. We'll dial in pulse on time, off time, discharge current, trade speed for surface finish. Module 2, ultrasonic machining. Think tiny jackhammers in a slurry. Frequency, amplitude, abrasive grit, to drill brittle materials without cracks. Module 3, plasma arc machining. Lightning hot jet that melts and blows away metal. Gas current standoff speed for clean kerfs and minimal dross. Module 4, chemical and electrochemical machining. No force, no burrs, controlled material removal. Electrolyte temperature masking, to sculpt features with microns of precision. Module 5, high energy beams, laser beam machining, pinpoint heat. Electron beam machining, vacuum, ultrafine holes. Energy density, focus pulse width, Cha-Z. Module 6, water jet and abrasive jet, cold cutting with ridiculous pressure. Orifice size, abrasive flow, traverse speed, to slice composites and metals without thermal damage. Module 7, advanced joining and 3D printing. Friction stir, laser sintering, bonding mechanisms, layer strategies, post-processing. I'll measure MRR tolerance, surface integrity. Map process windows. Learn when each method beats conventional machining. I'll write concise lab reports backed by Jane Pandey and Shan DeGarmo, Ghosh, and Malik Rao, so every knob I twist has theory behind it. Bottom line, I'll leave this lab fluent in non-traditional machining, able to choose the right process, set the right parameters, make parts others say are impossible. Let's make the impossible manufacturable.